Hi, I'm Jay.
And I'm Allie.
We're Things Adventured. Follow along while we build our new overlanding truck.
And prepare for our long-awaited 3-week cross-country trip. And what I am doing here is I'm getting all the pieces cut and ready to build our intermediate rack. So then that way we can just bolt it in and it's going to sit nicely about there on the truck.
So it's a wonderful alley. It's getting the 1x2 cut. It's got the 2 verticals done. We're gonna get one of these guys tacked in, welded in. That way we know it's square. And then we can do our angle pieces to match the headache rack. I got it on camera.
What did you do?
Sawzall, or not sawzall, grinder, kind of whoop and whoop. It's not bad. It's not bad. I swear. She's worried. She's really,
I'm stressed.
she's worried.
I'm stressed.
And I'm not. But she's worried. Going to the safer method.
Intermediate rack is officially done and painted. Bracket 1, bracket 2. They are loosely on there for now until we get the awning on it. And then we can tighten those down once we have the awning in the exact distance away that we want it to. And here comes the awning. Oh no, shit. We got a 270 awning on, both our spare tires, our awning with the room, the intermediate rack. I'm working on the side skirts right now.
Thank you so much for watching and following along on this journey.